Get ready! It's Dorky Girl vlog time! Oh yeah! Hey internet world, we're gonna build a gingerbread house with these cute little crazy people. And Chuck's building with Jessica a gingerbread train. Let's see how awesome they come out. Team Shelby, Ben, and Team Chuck, Jessica. 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 And well, Team Jessica, but I don't know where she. Oh, there she is. Team Jessica.
I don't know what to do.
Think what to do what? That and that's.
I did the first one.
Yeah.
No, Ben's doing the second one. What are they doing?
This one doesn't want to stay. That one's better. This is the caboose.
I wasn't looking. You're doing the caboose.
Yep. First.
We're building the train station for your gingerbread train. I want to do it. Let's put it in
Nothing goes in that hole, I'm assuming.
No.
It's just there. Okay. Now what?
and then put it together.
Put the other one in too.
You gonna hold that one?
No, I'm gonna hold this one.
That's what I mean.
Put it on this machine already. You had one job. You had one job.
Okay, let's do this. Sorry. I think we need more frosting right here. There's like a hole. Yeah, we definitely need more frosting.
Well, I got it squeezed from like 2 different areas.
Yeah, I think we should put more frosting in there. Because there's even some like in there.
You did this one.
You got it.
Yeah, I know, I'm just
Why?
saying.
Which part's that? The backside?
Just need more.
Oh.
He looks like he's constructing something like really technical.
It's exciting.
Do we have to hold it there?
Maybe. This was just a
Oh.
waste of money. Just so you know. It's
Oh,
not
so
really
just hold in place for 1 minute.
shit.
Yep.
This is uneven.
Well, maybe if you were helping.
There we go. I had to get my food.
Because now it just looks like a piece of shit.
Because you could still complain it's uneven.
It's fine, we'll just put a bunch of
Maybe
frosting
it's
there.
not staying.
Are these the same size?
They should give you a free one.
Yeah.
Aw, we're gonna have a lump there.
So,
Where?
Nick.
I wouldn't even trust you eating this. Because there's a fucking piece missing. And the thing was cracked open.
It's okay as long as he eats before May.
Like the damn receipt.
You dropped it.
Throw it in.
Oh my god. They have pieces missing and their frosting was open. It's messed up.
No, it's supposed to look like this, see?
Yeah. Looks exactly like that.
Right there. We need one more. There's 4 up top. So right in the middle. Right there. And then we need to put this roof on somehow. Over there. That's where it goes. We're almost done. It looks so crappy. Our first gingerbread house. The bag's not even done. Does it match the picture on the box, guys?
Sure.
I know, right? Somewhat.
Pre-rounded.
Chuck's playing a game.